Hi, everyone, and welcome to Veeam Partner Spotlight. I'm Tyler Jurgens, Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager at Veeam Software.
And I'm Dusty Kokenberg, Senior Director of Marketing and Alliances at Scale Computing. We're excited to share some big news and opportunities with you today. Today, we're unveiling a solution that can help you simplify virtualization, reduce your cost, and strengthen your data protection.
So let's start with the state of the market. Many organizations are feeling pressure from recent changes in the virtualization market. You may be facing rising licensing costs, uncertain product support, increasing complexity with legacy platforms.
Absolutely. And at the same time, ransomware attacks are rising. IT teams are struggling to protect remote, edge, and hybrid environments. Many of you are looking for a modern, cost-effective, and secure alternative. And we know the old adage of, do more with less, and that's always the ask to the IT departments.
Yeah, it sure is. That's why we're excited to announce that Veeam Data Platform now natively supports Scale Computing Hypercore. This partnership brings together Veeam's industry-leading secure backup and recovery with Scale Computing's simple, resilient virtualization.
Yeah, you get a unified solution for data protection and virtualization that's designed for today's distributed and hybrid IT environments.
So with Veeam and Scale Computing Hypercore, you get agentless automated backup and recovery for all your virtual machines, immutable air-gap backups for ransomware resilience, and centralized management and rapid recovery.
Absolutely. And you can manage your entire environment from a single console. You can move the workloads easily between locations. You're looking to avoid vendor lock-in thanks to Veeam's portable data format. So some of the benefits for you are clear. You're going to have lower operational overhead, stronger protection against cyber threats, faster recovery and less downtime. And again, that flexibility to adopt cloud and modernize at your own pace. And most importantly, it's peace of mind knowing your data is always protected, no matter where it lives, on-prem or in the cloud. And we've seen some unique use cases where that data may be living. So what does this look like in practice? VMware replacement migration. You can move off of legacy platforms with minimal disruption. For the edge and remote office protection, your easily safeguarded data is in all sites, no matter how small. Ransomware resilience. You restore your systems quickly from clean and immutable backups. We've got cloud adoption, confidently back up and move workloads to the cloud.
Absolutely. Those are great points here, Dusty. And really, whether you're a mid-sized business, a retailer with distributed sites, or a public sector organization, our joint solution is designed to meet your needs. So really, Dusty, how do we get started?
Yeah, if you're ready to take the next step, talk to us about a personalized demo or proof of concept. We can assess your current environment and help you plan a seamless migration. Our team is always here to support you from every step of the way that you have. And reach out, get in contact with us, and we're more than happy to start that process.
Absolutely. So whether you're planning a full migration, protecting edge sites, or modernizing backup and disaster recovery, we have the expertise and solutions to help. So thank you. We're looking forward to helping you achieve simpler, stronger, and more flexible IT with Veeam and Scale Computing.